Also, okay, sige. And then also here you will be able to see na kapag may nagtanong sa inyo, bakit from 2 years old lang ang use animals? There's a lot of reasons, no? And one of that is that talagang lahat tayo, no? Talagang kino-consider natin yung breast milk. Okay, so fully breastfed na babies up to 2 years are super highly encouraged. Alam natin yan. Secondly, we also want to avoid choking. Okay? Yung malulunok ng baby below 2, hindi nila kayang itsupa yung use animals and a lot more of other reasons. And ngayon, na growing na siya, pwede na siyang mag-use animals. Ayan. Dire-diretso tayo sa product training kasi later you will understand more from bata hanggang matanda. So ito yung use animals. We have natural wild berry. Comes sa lahat ng mga nanay, tatay, at sa lahat ng mga may anak, sa lahat ng mga bata, okay, na nandito sa training, ito yung pinaka the best na pwede kong masabing, anong tawag dito, best and aggressively kong sinusuportahan na product from USANA. So unang-una, may stamp po yan ng animals sa tablet. So dolphin, elephant, and so on. Good for 2 to 12 years old siya, vegetarian safe. I always tell the parents how talagang sulit yung use animals compared to other vitamins in the market, especially compared to mga matatamis na mga syrup. And then eto naman, we have to check the label how different Usana is with other leading supplements for children na mas sikat sa market, okay, probably mas kilala ng mga parents. I would love to encourage all parents here to mas kilalanin natin yung use animals and why this is the best for 2 to 12 years old. So yan, sa multivitamins, yung use animals po, complete na siya. Okay, sa kailangan ng bata from 2 to 12. Yung ibang vitamins, mataas lang masyado yung vitamin C content lang. And then also when it comes to minerals, and then yung hydrolyzed rice protein, wala sila nun. So basically yung mga meron lang sa labas, actually wala sila masyadong hydrolyzed rice protein, which is also good for immune system and perfect for picky eaters. Kaya yung mga children na gusto nila mga picky eater yung mga anak nila, maganda ma-start na agad yung use animals sa kanila. As early as 3, 4, ganon. Kasi yung mga bata, well, as you can observe sa mga use animals kids dito, no, kapag use animals talagang tinitake nila, mas gusto nilang kumain ng gulay, ng prutas, right? Hindi sila masyadong mahilig sa matatamis or super alat. If you are observing. And also, we have no sugar content. So yung iba, kailangan talaga nilang taasan yung syrup content nila because kailangan inumin. Kasi syempre, especially those that comes from gummy bear, gummy kung ano-ano, yung mga sobrang tatamis, lalo na yung mga syrup-based, they have to put a lot actually of fructose, which is also in a sugar form din yon. We are so proud to say that we don't have sugar content with our use animals. And that is actually super safe for children 2 to 12. It will also lessen the possibility of having juvenile diabetes, no? Okay, so apart from that, this is the product that has inositol and lecithin combined, which is also good and best for children na nag-aaral. Kaya talagang sinasabi that use animals kids are brainy kids. These are really true. Because when you talk about the dosaging of it na maganda sa brain function, talagang panalong-panalo siya. As in, hindi siya tinipid. And last but not the least, I would say that this is the safest for G6PD. Okay? So safest po yan for G6PD. Ano po yung G6PD? You can research on that. We will not be discussing that, but this is actually being, kumbaga monitor yung G6PD sa newborn screening. Okay? So sa mga non-newborn screening, sa mga nandito sa New Zealand, do we have New Zealand? Okay, masyadong mataas yung mga G6PD for New Zealand, in Australia. Ayan. This is established. A lot of kids with G6PD ang daming bawal. Even high in vitamin C contents are very dangerous in their blood. And also, but they don't have any established nutrition support for kids with G6PD kung saan maraming bawal sa bata at mas madaling magkasakit yung bata. So yun lang, the dosage form of Usanimals is in chewable form, and ang dami-dami pa ninyong pwedeng makuha from this presentation also. You can see there yung mga range, okay? Pamangkin had been taking Usanimals since she was 7. Okay, grabe no? I also have meron din akong pamangkin na may autism and sobrang ganda din no response no. Well, actually he's more than 12 na ngayon pero nung 2 to 12 talaga naka-Usanimals, and ang gagaling nila no when it comes to spatial, yung mga abilities, right? So mas talaga nag-grow. And then we also have this, you can do a screenshot of that, you can copy that. Kasi if you want to discuss this with a parent or a guardian or a family member, you would rather see how it's really good for immune system support. Laban na laban. Like siguro, meron ka ng 3 bote ng iba't ibang brands ng syrup-based vitamins, and then you have Usanimals once a day or 2 times a day, every day, you would really see yung growth and development ng children. And really the safest. So andyan, yung supporting healthy growth sa immune system, yung bone strength, okay? Also yung cognitive development. And then sa skin and then sa digestion. Ang cute lang no, kasi I was also told by a pediatrician that nagsisimula agad yung pagtulong ng Usanimals sa digestion simula sa bibig. Di ba doon naman talaga nagsisimula yung digestion? It starts from the mouth. So, kapag chinuchew mo lalo yung Usanimals or ng bata, okay, rather than crushing it, di ba meron tayong, ay, hindi niya ma-chew. So, anong alternative? We do crush the tablet. So, kapag na-chew nila, it actually activates more of the amylase, sa saliva, salivary amylase, yung lahat na part din ng digestion process ng bata. Na? So, kaya pala, sa ano pa lang, sa pagbabantayan na agad. Okay? So, yan, it also boosts energy levels, and then maganda siya sa teeth. Okay? Kasi it also ay ang mga ngipin ng mga bata.
So far, learning ba ang lahat? May natutunan na ba? Di ba? Doon pa lang, pasok na yung mga bagets.
Nag-stop ba ako somewhere? Or
Opo, coach ka.
hindi ko kasi makita.
Nag-stop ka po.
Pero I'm back. Can you see my screen? Wait lang. Palit ako ulit ng net. Okay. I'm so back. Dito po ba ako nag-stop? Dito po ba ako nawala? Can you see it?
Opo, yes, coach.
Okay,
The part.
sige. So again, okay, as I was saying, you can copy this and you can share this to friends and relatives. So I don't know if na-miss out nyo yung sa digestion process. Nandun pa ba kayo? When I told you that the chewing part of Usanimals, okay? Nandun pa ba kayo? Coach Bu? Ikaw lang nakikita ko, Coach Bu. Nabanggit ko ba?
Yes, coach, na digestion
Yes,
starts at the mouth. Parang doon yun.
Okay. Sige. So yun. So importante pala na it's better scrubbing the tablet. Okay? So kasi pala part of it of the amylase and all the needed na mga nutrients comes starting with the chewing process. And then yan, it's also good for teeth and healthy weight. Right? So ito, lagi kong sinasama sa mga trainings ko that USANA products are not intended to treat, cure, or diagnose diseases, as well as, okay, it cannot be substituted with prescribed medication. So every now and then you will be able to see this reminder. Okay? Tapos na siya, nag-12 years old na siya. Yan. She's already blushing. Yan, pa-teenager na. And ito na, wait lang. The most common challenges of teenage girls naman. Ano naman yung mga most common challenges ng mga batang babae? So number one, yung menstruation. Di ba part siya ng buhay ng mga babae? Pero at first, of course, there's a lot of adjustments that may experience nila. So, dito na sila makakaramdam na from laro lang ng laro, 'di ba? Happily playing outside, meron na silang mafe-feel na menstrual cramps or dysmenorrhea. And then there's also mood swings getting in and cravings starting. Ayan, kaya meron din talaga yung mga changes in the puberty stage ng babae. And of course, pimples, yung acne, yung pagtingin nila or yung ano nila sa image nila. And we will discuss this more later. Okay? So, eto naman, sa mga may dysmenorrhea, sa mga may menstrual cramps, hindi lang para sa teenagers, okay? Pati na rin sa mga nakaka-experience ng mga women up until now. This is for you. You can also share this with friends kasi 'di ba usually kapag may menstrual cramps or kaya may dysmenorrhea, anong binibigay? O 'di ba? Pain reliever. O, sikat na sikat 'yan kung ano-anong mga pain relievers. And then now we can try giving them this one. You can offer cell essentials. Ano yung mga key nutrients natin? We have these key nutrients like iron, magnesium, B-complex, the calcium. So, yan, maganda din po yan because this can also support the muscle and nerve function which can reduce cramping. Doon sa mga, 'di ba, best na mas mataas na cell essentials yung prenatal, no? Later we will be discussing that. So, kung wala tayong iron, we have copper, which also mimics the same anong tawag dyan, function of iron. And then we have also USANA proflavanol C. Okay? Proflavanol C for menstrual cramps, for these menstruation challenges. Yes, because these antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and improve the blood circulation, potentially easing the menstrual discomfort. Galing, no? And then we also can offer Biomega. Andito na naman tayo sa lahat na lang ng products din i-discuss. So yung Biomega, yung omega-3 fatty acids in the form of EPA and DHA, they reduce inflammation. And menstrual pain din. Alam naman natin, anti-inflammatory din si Biomega. And moods during your menstrual like irritability, okay? Tama na din dyan, breast and breast. Okay? So, check back ako.
Medyo na ilalag coach ka. Learning po ba so far?
Okay.
Lahat? Ayan. Pa-type naman learning kung natututo po tayo tonight. 'Di ba? Marami na agad na share sa atin si Coach ka. At talagang ito yung training na
also,
hindi natin pwedeng ma-miss.
saan po ako nawawala? Sa Biomega na?
Opo, sa Biomega.
Sige. I think I did my third backup for the internet. Sige. Okay, we're going back to Bio-Omega. So here's the Bio-Omega part wherein I discussed na, ayan, maganda siya pala even sa mood. Okay? And then Magnical D, kasi ito talaga yung top optimizer na talagang ino-offer ko personally for people who are having menstrual cramps and other discomfort, lalong-lalo na sa menstruation. And this is also the best for teenagers. Okay? Kasi I always remember that kapag teenager, wala tayong body rocks. If you're familiar with body rocks, no? It's a combination of Usanimals and Magnical D as an alternative. I don't know if you've heard about that, but that's coming from Usana Pharmacist. Coach Bo, lumaki ako na sinasabi nila if we don't have body rocks here in the Philippines, kasi they have in other countries, we can give a substitute with Usanimals plus Magnical D for teenagers. Kasi 'di ba parang merong keeping gap na ano bang ibibigay ko sa 13, sa 14, something like that. Also, magnesium, yan, sobrang ganda. Also, calcium. So, eto naman, I'm going to give again another disclaimer. Ulitin ko lang, we are not intended to cure or treat diseases. So, laging babalik kapag talagang sobra na yung nararamdaman ng mga teenage girls natin, we can ask, syempre, medical advice. Alright? So, ito naman yung tip for teens. Yan, stay active. 'Di ba? Makikita din natin, yan, na meron silang mga exercises to help their bones become stronger. And sa mga teenagers na mga anak or pamangkin, it's better to limit soda as early as possible. Kasi sila yung magagaling talaga dito. Dito talaga nagsisimula yung ang gagaling nila sa mga energy drink, no, na masyadong mataas ang sodium, yung mga soda, because it can reduce a lot of calcium absorption. Plus, also, it can hurt your kidney. And do not skip meals. Siyempre naman, ang mga teenager natin dyan, gusto nila yung talagang late gumigising, no? Tapos nag-skip ng breakfast. So the body needs to grow, especially for women, lalo na kapag may mga monthly visit. So, and yung teen years naman are the best time to build strong bones. Kaya talagang maganda na we let them know na magandang maging mas active sila, and also give them Magnical D na din. Yan. So ito, next naman, she's now working. Ayan, tapos na siya sa teenage years niya, nag-graduate na siya, mag-work na ang ating lady. Kaso, she's busy na. She's preoccupied. Stressed na siya. O, diba? And then, there's a lot more in store for her. Marami siyang iniisip. Nag-join pa siya ng USANA. Nako naman, no? Diba? Maraming pinapagawa ang coach. Maraming kailangang kausapin. Ayan. So, she's really having a very busy life now. And now naman, we can give them again our product recommendations for these ladies. Ayan, we can give them cell essentials. Ito naman po yung key nutrients and health benefits nila. So, lahat yan, importante yung vitamin A, C, D, E, B complex, the zinc, the selenium for cellular health, immunity, in energy metabolism, and antioxidant protection. Tapos, eto na, introduce naman natin yung Copa Prime. Parang Coach Carol, lahat ata ng product madidiscuss mo. Oo, sa lahat ng ating women's journey from bata up until the 'di ba, senior citizen years ng ating kababaihan, madadaanan natin ang halos lahat ng ating mga produkto. Okay, mamaya baka ma-shock pa kayo, pati Palmetto. Nainom ko na. Diba? Kahit Palmetto, nainom ko na. Legit. Story ko sa inyo kung paano. So, eto naman, Copa Prime, maganda to. We have Ginkgo biloba, Bacopa monnieri, and then the coffee fruit, no? This one will support memory, mental clarity, focus, and cognitive longevity for women. And men, of course. Pero syempre, dahil women's health tayo ngayon, so, this is really good. Ang dami kong clients sa Copa Prime. Sino dito, okay lang ba? Kasi meron ako mga product highlight. Okay lang ba na ma-share ko din ma-share din ninyo sino yung mga clients niyo sa Copa Prime na maganda ang results. Okay lang ba? Meron ba kayo ditong mga Copa Prime friends or clients na maganda yung result? Meron ba dito sa group? Pwede nyo bang i-share kung anong nangyari? Gusto kong mabasa eh. And I have a lot, okay? So kung pa prime lang pinag-uusapan, marami na akong mga lawyers, doctors, nurses, teachers, civil engineers, no? Na during their time of studying, reviewing, talagang nakaasa talaga kami sa Essentials at Copa Prime. How about you? Siyempre, hindi ko masyado nakikita ngayon yung screen ko. Okay, so share nyo dyan sa inyo kung meron tayong Copa Prime stories because I really love Copa Prime, to be honest. And talagang mga professionals ang gumagamit ng Copa Prime. Okay? Okay, so, and then next naman, we have, yan, Procam. Okay? Sa lahat ng mga Procam friends natin, sino dito may mga clients na gumagamit ng Procam? Ako meron, marami. So marami din talagang mga nasi-stress, 'di ba? Maraming nangangailangan ng support with it to have their emotional balance. Okay, si Coach Bo nakita ko siya na nag-raise ng hand. Okay, so we also have that. And then, yan. So it will support emotional balance, reduce yung stress response, promotes mental well-being. We have the ashwagandha, the saffron, and the lemon balm. And one friend of mine told me, ang ganda daw nitong tatlong combinations. Itong tatlo na binigay ko. So sabi niya, yung Procam daw talaga is really promising for her, especially she's juggling 3 jobs. Tapos meron pa siyang night shift. Yan. Then we also want to discuss Purist. Lahat na lang po ba, Coach Carol, meron? Yes. And then we will promote, this will promote restful sleep, syempre sa mga women na masyadong workaholic. Okay? Sige, sino yung may mga Copa Prime Store? Yan, si Coach Karina. Yun, mga benefiting from Procam. Ngayon naman, she's seeing someone. Yan. So from bata to teenager, nagka-work na, 'di ba? She's seeing someone na, nag-date na, ang dami-dami nang napupuntahan, kain ng kain, ang love language, eating. Charot, 'di ba? So dami nang pinuntahan na buffet. Ang nangyari when they keep on marami na silang resto hopping, ayan na. She's seeing someone na, but she's getting fat. Ayan, medyo nananaba tayo dyan. Ito yung mga problema ng mga babae minsan. 'Di ba? So, she's getting fat and we can offer also Usana to them. So, we're journeying with a lot of people who, ay nako, tumaas na yung yung kilo ko, and I'm not confident with my body, or not confident with my weight, 'di ba? So, ito, we will introduce other products, no, apart from Cell Essentials. We are introducing Hepasil, which is also good for liver detox. We have discussed products lang, 'di ba? Like weeks ago with Coach yung pharmacist si Coach Jo with regards to detox, 'di ba? Yan, so ayun, mas mas clear yung discussion doon talaga and mas sobrang kompleto. This will also enhance fat metabolism. You give this to them and discuss ko din yung digestive enzyme. So meron din akong specific training here na talagang sobrang na-love ko ang digestive enzyme. One of my new favorite optimizer is digestive enzyme kasi talagang it really works, no? Enhances digestion ng lahat ng kinakain natin, ng fats, ng carbs, ng protein. So, yeah, it reduces also yung bloating. Okay? And then Active Plus, which also called Metabolism in other countries, in Metabolism Plus. I also have lots of clients with this. Okay, so marami different story kung gaano siya kaganda, especially sa mga nag-gym. This will really help people na gustong mag-weight loss, tapos nag-gym, and then gustong magkaroon ng breakdown ng fats. Okay, so ayan, ito na yung mga laman niya. We can discuss this actually in a different meeting kasi sobrang gaganda ng mga specific product benefits niya per ingredient. Okay? So we can offer that for people na ano bang maganda. Coach Carol, ka-Active Plus, Digestive Enzyme, Hepasil, depende sa pangangailangan. Okay? Depende sa need, depende sa kung ano talaga yung gusto nila. Active Plus is focused on metabolism. Okay? It also is very, very good sa lahat ng mga active talaga yung lifestyle. Yan. And then we have Nutrimil, of course, if this is the best for you na talagang magandang pang meal replacement, no? It promotes fullness, yon, pati yung lean muscle natin. And sobrang convenient niya. Okay? So ito na talaga yung glycemic index na talagang mababa. Okay, this is also good sa mga diabetic clients natin or diabetic women na gusto nating ipa-diet, no? So we also want to share na yung probiotic is also effective for them. And then, syempre, yung probiotic natin is like parang super ganda talaga. Okay? Nung mismong 2 strains of clinically proven specific probiotic bacteria. Okay? Kaya, kasi ang dami din kasing probiotic sa labas. Ito talaga kasi yung dalawang combination na clinically proven that can aid, no, even the harshest acidic environment in your tummy. So if you parang medyo doubtful ka pa rin dito, you can try other probiotics with Usana probiotic. Tapos tignan niyo talaga, this has the fastest. Okay? So yun yung experience ko doon sa mga friends ko, yung mga clients ko, na merong mga acidic, sobrang acidic, no? Hyperacidity, tapos biglang mag-LBM. Also perfect for women who loves to travel. Okay? Sa mga travelers, syempre, alam mo na, if you're going from different country to another, pwedeng magkaroon ng traveler's diarrhea. So, eto, handy lang, pwedeng ilagay sa pocket or sa wallet or sa bag, di ba? So, it will really help you as yung parang emergency probiotic talaga siya. So, ayan, improves gut flora, aids digestion, and also influences weight regulation and reduce the inflammation. So, yan. Ano pa? So, yung mga questions nyo pala later, kasi I can see some questions, no? Na pwede natin siyang i-summarize all your questions, and then later si Coach Maricar and then our training, online training department will also kumbaga i-ano nila yung mga questions later. Tama. So, yan, again, we've discussed a lot, and products are not intended to treat or cure or diagnose diseases, and hindi pwedeng pang substitute ng mga prescribed medications, so we can seek medical advice pa rin. Okay, you can always ask doctors. Next is, ano nangyari? Okay, pumayat na siya, nag-sexy na siya, okay? Nakuha niya na yung gusto niyang weight. Okay, hulaan natin ano mga pinagdadaanan ng mga girls. Kapag okay na ang love life, ay, okay na ang weight, ay, okay? Ano naman yung next? Sige, she's conscious about her face and skin na. Ay, eto naman, may mga acne ako, ganyan-ganyan. Okay, merong mga discoloration and so on and so forth. So, ano naman yung mga best na ibibigay natin as Usana Health Advocates? Yan. So, eto, I think I only have one slide and it's really fast now. Eto, pumili lang ako ng top, okay, for mostly acne and other skin problems, yung mga acne prone, and then yung mga oily, may mga problems sa kung ano-anong mga discolorations. Pero pumili lang ako kasi ang dami, 'di ba? Celavive has a broader line talaga of a lot of products, and this one is really good na i-offer sa ating mga kababaihan. Okay? So, for the Gentle Milk and the Gentle Foam or the Milk Cleanser, so Gentle Foam kapag oily, Milk Cleanser kapag kapag dry. So, yan, maganda siya for cleaning, and then hydrating toner. And then yung resurfacing serum, we have a different training with Mentor Rochelle. If you have attended that was one of the best resurfacing serum trainings. We have that also. May recording tayo kasi kumpleto, di ba? Tapos, nakalagay din dito yung vitalizing serum. Grabe. And then also yung replenishing night cream or night gel. Sino yung nagna-night cream or night gel? Kasi parang it really gives talaga more time for the skin to be able to absorb everything. Okay, overnight. Kaya talaga yung hydration daw as kasi dun sa gising ka. Okay, so that's one. And talagang the restoration is better, no, when you're sleeping kasi walang effort talaga yung muscles mo, yung skin mo, 'di ba? So, you add if you're not ako kasi I'm pili lang, 'di ba, when you choose a lot of CeraVe products, the night gel and the night cream, whether you're oily or sensitive or dry, siya kasi yung parang okay, give it the highlight to the night cream or night gel. Kasi yun yung time na talagang sosolohin niya talaga yung mukha mo na wala kang effort o walang mga muscle skin ano mo dyan na gumagalaw and it's working. Okay? Tips for acne prone sa mga babae. So syempre yung gentle cleansing, use the cleanser to remove impurities, hydration. I also want to say the CeraVe toner is still doing its magic, no? And of course, the serum, the vitalizing, the resurfacing serum na sobrang sikat na sikat talaga ngayon. Pero I cannot forget one training when it says that most of, di ba yung hydration, the water that comes, narinig niyo na ba yung training sa CeraVe that most of the water comes from sorry, yung hydration, yung mismong laman, no, we get it from the ice melt water from the Northern Alps. Who have heard it? Kasi parang 'di ba, parang okay, hanap ka ng ano kasi alam niyo ang dami kong nabebentang gano'n nung time na yun talagang sinasabi ko. So especially for toner, I could say that I have my own training kumbaga ano diyan, copy na it comes one from ice melt water coming from the Northern Alps. Doon talaga nila kinukuha yung yung pang-hydrate. One is CeraVe toner, yung mismong toner natin. So kaya pala grabe yung minerals. Kaya pala parang mas refreshing siya kasi if you remember, it gives 180% hydration. Kung naaalala niyo yung wala na kasi ako dito pero I have my different slide for that and I could not forget that slide na may nakalagay na 180% yung ina-up na hydration kapag naka-toner ka. So how much more kapag may resurfacing serum ka pa? So sobrang punong-puno talaga ng hydrated talaga yung skin mo and really the skin needs the moisture and hindi talaga siya kumbaga uhaw, 'di ba? And the night care, yun sinabi ko sa inyo, while you sleep, it's really a good investment. You do the night gel and the night cream. And eto, supplement support. Consider yung sana supplements like Biomega for anti-inflammatory benefits, especially sa may mga acne, and Cell Essentials for overall skin health. And this is coming from Ask the Scientist. Okay? Yung supplement support na yan na suggestion ay galing sa Ask the Scientist wherein they actually want to say that if you're having the entire line of CeraVe or the resurfacing serum, Biomega is anti-inflam and Cell Essentials. Yun maganda. Okay, moving on. All right. Someone truly fell in love with her beauty and grace. Wow. Simula tayo, baby pa siya, naging teenager, nag-work, na-stress, uminom ng ng mga Procam, itinulog dahil sa Purest, 'di ba? Na in love, nag-date, sobrang kumain ng marami, nanaba, 'di ba? Naibalik, sumali sa 28-day fat loss challenge, and now sa skincare naman ay talagang kabog na kabog. Someone truly fell in love with her beauty and grace na. Yan. And syempre, he's ready to ask her hand into marriage. So we're going to the next part. Okay, next nating stage. Yan. They now wish to have a baby. Syempre, nag-propose na to. Si kuya nag-propose na siya. So, after that, they got married. And now, they also want to have also their own family. But, they have some fertility issues and fertility problems, which is also hindi naiiba sa maraming friends and customers and clients and family members natin who also have the same, diba, na kumbaga sinishare sa atin. And as USANA associates, we always wanted to give them, diba, good supplements, of course. Ayan, causes of female infertility. I'll be focusing more on female, syempre. So yan, pwedeng genetic, pwedeng age, pwedeng may obstruction, and pwedeng ovulatory cycles, pwede din structural, diba? Like inverted yung uterus, mga ganon. Pero we're not going to talk about it na. And then yan, mga immunological fertility. So, ang iba naman, they have concerns like myoma, okay? So, yung mga benign tumors nila, partly of muscle tissues, okay? Usually, the cervix, sometimes in the entire uterine, yung mismong layers, yan, we can see that. There's a lot, actually, of different, tawag dyan, mga benign tumors, and that's how it looks like. And PCOS, yung pinakasikat, diba? So, that's your polycystic ovary syndrome. It's a hormonal disorder common in women of reproductive age. So, it's characterized by irregular periods, excessive androgen levels, and then cysts sa ovaries. Kaya siya PCOS. And yan, usually, no, they have fertility issues. Pero ito, very reversible. I could say that PCOS is very reversible. Kasi ito, may nakita din kayo, pelvic pain. Yan, yung irregular periods. Kung may mga nakaka-experience ng ganito po, it's better you have yourself checked, no? Yun, may acne, madaling mapagod, nag-overweight, biglang nagkaroon ng maraming mga, nagtutubo yung hair everywhere, hirsutism, mas marami than the usual, hair loss, pati pelvic pain. And then I have here the benefits for PCOS, infertility, and also for myoma. So usually, ang pinaka-top lang naman for PCOS, myoma, infertility issues are mostly po tatlong products. Okay? So, Cellessentials, Biomega, Cokinode. And then I'm also going to share yung Magnical D, which is also present almost in Cellessentials, no? So, eto, makikita niyo yung insulin sensitivity sa PCOS. So yung hormonal imbalance, mostly maganda po ang combination talaga ng Magnical D plus Cellessentials. Okay? And then yan, nakikita nyo naman dito sa product natin kung ano yung mga pwede nilang i-offer or ano yung mga key benefits nila for people with PCOS, with infertility, and with myoma. Tapos, makikita nyo dyan yung vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D. Ang galing nila, magkakampi talaga yan palagi. So, lagi silang nag-help sa insulin sensitivity and sa hormonal imbalance. Okay? So, tinatry ko lang i-summarize coming from the table. And then also, magandang mag-aid sa ovulation and hormone production po yung zinc. Kaya yung proglucamine, di ba, may zinc din siya plus Cellessentials. It's really also good. Ayan. And then we also have the Biomega because it has the EPA and DHA. Sinasabi to sa training, it reduces inflammation, especially for people with PCOS. Okay? So, babalik natin yang wala tayong treatment, hindi tayo for diagnosis, hindi tayo for cure. Pero when you are taking Biomega, it reduces inflammation both for people with PCOS and myoma. Okay? And then, nag-i-improve din ito ng egg quality. Okay? Uulitin ko ha. For Biomega, it improves egg quality. Okay? For coenzyme Q10, na sobrang sikat, na sobrang maganda, for the mitochondrial function in our ovaries. And ito din yung maganda for hormone balance. Okay? Ano pa? Yung mga B complexes na makikita natin, B complex from Cellessentials, is also very good for ovulation support. Okay? Ano pa? So, eto na. Yung coquinone, nakalagay dyan, sa PCOS, mitochondrial function, energy, and egg quality. Pag may infertility na hindi alam kung ano yung reason, wala naman pong PCOS, wala naman pong myoma. Okay? Hindi lang talaga po nakakabuo. Talagang meron lang pong concerns. Baka hormonal or what. Coenzyme Q10, both the CoQ10 and the alpha-lipoic acid, is very good po para mag-support ng embryo quality just in case they really wanted to get pregnant. And of course, reducing oxidative stress. Ano pang nakalagay dyan? inflammation. So pag nakita mo yung inflammation palagi sa mga babaeng hindi nagkakaanak, it's also really good to put Bio-Omega and Coquinone combined. Okay? Actually, wag mo nang tanungin kung Coquinone o Bio-Omega. Pareho na po. Okay? Maganda po siyang combination. And then, also same, okay, sa Magnical B, maganda din siya sa hormone function. Okay? Siyempre, sa mga may pain, 'di ba? Like myoma, minsan ang PCOS may konting pain pero myoma mas grabe. May cramping po, Magnical B ulit. Okay? Yung uterine muscle na nagko-contract, nagkakaroon ng mas masakit na effect, no? Okay? Yan pa rin. Pero syempre, kapag sinabing meron kang tawag dyan, meron kang surgery, you need to really get assessed and then medical advice for that matter. Kasi pwedeng yung tumor kasi from starting benign, biglang maging malignant. So you have to always go back to your gynae or OB/GYN or yung mga doctors. Okay? Ano pa? So yan, reminder ulit kasi baka sabihin na, okay, may PCOS, may myoma, ito na lang. Ito na lang, lahat na tong products na to, bibilihin niyo na. Okay, gagaling siya. Okay, walang ganun. And then, you can also move forward when she's finally pregnant. Ayan. Andito pa ba kayo? And patapos na tayo. Ayan. Ito naman, when finally pregnant na, ito naman yung marami. Okay? So, ang top naman dito kasi is number 1, cell essentials. Kapag merong prenatal, yun yung best. Okay? Pero kapag walang prenatal, I highly suggest you put another iron supplement. Kasi yun talaga ginagawa ng mga OB. Kapag yung mga OB dito, I have friends, marami akong friends na OB. Kapag cell essentials lang, dagdagan ng iron. Okay? Okay ba yun? Pero pag may prenatal cell essentials, goods na talaga yon. Kaya sobrang swerte ng mga may prenatal dyan. Sino ba may prenatal dyan? Okay. Gusto ko din sabihin to ha. Sa mga gustong na magka-baby. Okay? Gusto niyo magka-baby. Tapos, di ba ang top 3 natin? Cell essentials, Bio-Omega, Coquinone. Cell essentials, Bio-Omega, Coquinone. Magnical D, okay, pwedeng idagdag. Okay? So, kung gusto talaga magka-baby, cell essentials, Bio-Omega, Coquinone. Pero best pa rin yung prenatal. Siyempre, attraction agad. Diba? I-attract mo na. Kasi yung prenatal, andun na talaga yung need. So parang gusto mong magka-baby, ibibigay mo na talaga yung kailangan na nutrients ng isang inang gustong mabuntis. So, if you have, like halimbawa si Maricar, nasa Canada, maraming prenatal doon. O, si Anshe, merong prenatal. Ay nako, kung may prenatal ka, Coach Anshe, tapos fertility yung ano niya, gusto niya ng magka-baby, prenatal, I could say 2 to 3 pairs a day, Bio-Omega Coquinone. Tapos na-excite na ako. Syempre, yung asawa, yung lalaki, mas maganda din na nagtitake din ng cell essentials. Hindi prenatal, okay? So, tapos cell essentials and then Coquinone. Diba? Ganun tayong magbigay ng ano, hindi naman, kasi syempre when you get pregnant, hindi lang naman yung babae, syempre both of them will really put an effort in becoming healthy. Okay, dapat may asawa po ha, sabi ni Coach Jennifer. O, nag-remind. Thank you, Coach Jen, kasi hindi talaga kayo mabubuntis. Kahit ubusin nyo ang prenatal sa buong mundo. Okay? Kailangan po kayong may asawa. Alright, very good. That's good. Okay, and then, ano pa? So ako, pag ibang bansa, may gusto kong i-share. We have so many USANA babies during the pandemic from Canada. So, Calgary, Alberta to be exact. Natapos yung pandemya, 'di ba? Parang 2022, yung parang nag-open na siya. Meron na kaming 4 na babies, tapos 2 buntis. So, 'di ba when this pandemic started 2020, so marami kaming customers sa Canada. South Calgary, iba-iba lugar, ganon. Meron kaming 4 na babies na nung 2022. Yes, guys, I'm not kidding. This is from prenatal, Coquinone, and Bio-Omega. Tapos, merong 2 buntis. So, this time, may 3 years old na kami. May 4 na 3 years old na kami ngayong 2025. If you always call back, syempre, kilala mo naman yung mga clients mo, di ba? So, laging, hi, kumusta? Ito, yung bata, 3 years old na, so mag-use animals na siya, di ba? Ay, oo, di ba? Kasi syempre, grabe yung faith naman ng mag-asawa and everything. So, they really wanted to get the best supplements also. So, yan. Alam mo na, Coach Jonathan. Ayan. And also, kapag pregnant na, eto na. Prenatal talaga. And then, mas maraming folic acid kasi yung prenatal. Okay, so bugbog talaga sa folic acid ang mga buntis kailangan. Again, as I have said, prenatal has iron, pero sa Cell Essentials natin, you add iron supplementation. And then there's also yung kailangan ng calcium. We have it in Magnical D. Fetal bones and teeth, protecting also the mother from bone deformities, di ba? Kung anong problema na pwedeng mag-arise. And bone density loss. Also, maganda din yung, basta, Magnical D is very promising for pregnant women. Okay? Hindi lang siya for fetal bone, hindi lang siya para hindi magkaroon ng bone density loss. Maganda pala siya para ma-reduce yung muscle cramps and fatigue. Okay? Ng mga mommies, ng mga pregnant moms. Okay? Ay, okay. Yan. Kasi, ang bigat-bigat na ng aking tapos ang likod ko masakit. Ayan. Cell Essentials Magnical D, okay na yun. And then, of course, Bio-Omega supports brain and eye, diba? Syempre, this will also sobrang ganda in placental blood flow. Okay? Bakit? Ano ba maganda sa Bio-Omega? Ba't ganyan-ganyan? Maganda sa brain, ang growing fetus. Pero maganda din siya sa placental blood flow. Okay. Okay, so this is also going to reduce preterm birth. Maganda din talaga. Vitamin B12, B6, vitamin C, and zinc also are in Cell Essentials. Yung vitamin B6 pala will help relieve morning sickness. So this is in the first trimester. Okay? Kaya, anong magandang product ng Usana? Palagi akong may morning sickness. Alam mo na. Cell Essentials ka na. Okay? Vitamin B6 kasi meron tayong ganyan. Okay? And then, of course, yung coenzyme Q10 then is also if recommended. Kasi it will actually add pa antioxidant protection. Depende pa rin yan sa doctor. Ask daw. Yung Coquinon is optional. Depende sa doctor's advice. Okay daw? Okay, next. She's now a proud breastfeeding mom. Ayan, nanganak na siya. This is for all moms. Ayan. And nakaka-happy kapag breastfeeding talaga, lalo na fully breastfed. Yung pamangkin ko, ang ganda ng ngipin niya. Okay, kaka-story ko lang sa kanya yesterday. She was laughing, bungis-ngis. Ang ganda-ganda ng ngipin niya. One reason is because 2.5 years siyang fully breastfed. Unang-una, tipid. Diba? Tipid na tipid. Ikalawa, syempre, grabe yung bond. So ako, I'm an advocate of breastfeeding talaga, syempre. And third, ang ganda pala talaga sa ngipin. No? Totoo pala talaga yun. Straight lahat ng ngipin ng bata kapag fully breastfed. So, that's another pride of almost all moms. And eto naman yung maganda sa mga nagbe-breastfeed. Okay? So, makikita nyo dyan, yung Usana product ay nasa gitna. Kasi yung need nila yung nasa first table or first column. So you can see, you can give Magnical D, okay, sa mga breastfeeding moms. Kasi kaka-chat lang sa akin ng friend ko ngayon, habang pina-finalize ko yung slide. Anong maganda for breastfeeding? Ano yung safe, okay? So safe yung Magnical D, safe yung Cell Essentials, safe ang Bio-Omega sa breastfeeding, okay? Ayan, nakikita nyo yung highlight natin for Bio-Omega and Magnical D kasi syempre yung Cell Essentials sobrang Coach, pwede po ba ang prenatal for breastfeeding moms kahit may anak na po? Yes, kasi mas marami pa rin po doon yung calcium. Mas doble po doon yung nakukuha nilang magnesium. Alright, diba? So, mas marami. Tapos, we can hear yung nare-reduce yung mga baby allergies then, and of course, maganda din po yung calcium nila. So, yan, you can see this. So, ano yung mga bawal kapag breastfeeding? Sige, share nyo nga kung ano yung mga hindi ino-offer. Okay, sige, gusto ko makita. Kasi hindi ko nilagay dito sa aking screen. Ano yung mga hindi pwedeng ipainom na USANA products kapag breastfeeding? Gusto kong makita. Okay? Sige nga. Pasok po nga mga comments niyo dyan. Kasi you can actually have it talaga from Ask the Scientist. Andun yung pinaka product usage during pregnancy and lactation. So I'm going to share the, what do you call this? Sige, I'm going to read. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Meron tayong mga sagot na tama. Okay, meron naman tayong sagot na pwede naman. Okay. So eto, I'm going to share na lang the link sa screen. Okay? Ay, sorry. The link in the comment section. Oh, sige. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang dapat i-mute. Okay. I have shared there in the comment section. Ito na po yung Ask the Scientist Q&A kung ano po yung perfect for pregnancy and lactation. And most of na nakikita niyo dyan,
Coach ka, na-mute ka.
nasali ako sa mga na-mute. Okay. So makikita nyo dito sa Celaviv sa Ask the Scientist, if you will open, okay, hindi ko na kasi ini-screenshot. Open the link I sent sa comment section. You will be able to see there that generally recommended during pregnancy and lactation po ang Bio-Omega. Kasi sobrang kailangan talaga ng mga momshies ang Bio-Omega. And research is clearly telling us that Celaviv is also safe. Okay? Ang ganda ng Celaviv eh. Safe siya for teenagers. Safe siya for pregnant women, and safe din siya for lactating women. Of course, this is also encouraged para sa men. So yung Celaviv encompassing all gender. Tapos lahat ng pinagdadaanan ng mga ng mga babae, I mean. So nakalagay dito, no known health or safety concerns regarding use of Celaviv products during pregnancy and lactation. Pero always best naman palagi magtatanong sa kanilang physician if there are other health concerns, especially sa skin. Okay. Pero okay din daw yung digestive enzyme. Of course, Magnical D is okay. I'm sorry, I am on my screen, another phone from Ask the Scientist. So, nakalagay dito, prenatal cell essentials. Nakalagay dito, cell essentials are not specifically for pregnancy kasi nga walang iron. Kaya nga yun yung sinasabi ko. Philippines, sa lahat ng mga nasa Pilipinas, plus iron tayo palagi. So, swerte talaga ng mga may prenatal. Favorite ko ang prenatal actually. Pwede tayo mag-take prenatal kahit hindi tayo buntis. Alam mo yun? Okay, kasi it's better. It's better for our hormone health. It's better for our reproductive health. Diba? Tas plus folic acid. Kailangan na kailangan ng mga babae kahit hindi buntis. Also, yung sana probiotic is safe. Sa mga products yan tayo sa lactating. And then, vitamin D is also good. And then, other food products, including Nutrimil, no? Nakalagay lang dito, please lang, kapag pregnant or lactating, hindi po ginagamit yung Nutrimil for pagpapapayat or pang weight loss. Okay, kawawa naman yung baby. Kasi magkakaroon ng insufficiency ng mga nutrients. Okay? And all the other products of USANA are to be discussed with healthcare professionals. Pero we are pretty sure, tignan natin ang ating screen dito sa Zoom, meron ako mga nakita na mga tamang sagot. Like for example, Copaprime and Active Plus or Metabolism Plus in other countries are with caffeine. Bawal sila. Alam niyo naman kung bakit So hindi pala talaga siya perfect for breastfeeding and lactating moms. Also, Pure Rest. Okay? Okay, tulog na yung bata sa tiyan kapag kapag pregnant, pag breastfeeding naman, o 'di ba? Nag-Pure Rest ka tapos inactive plus mo. Kumusta ang baby na nagdedede kay mommy? May caffeine coach kahit may melatonin, o 'di ba hindi mo na alam. Parang mababangag ata yung bata. And then, Palmetto Plus, hindi din siya, definitely hindi siya kasi it has yung palmetto and soy isoflavones, hindi din siya good. And ano pa, yung mga nakikita nyo, yun, usually yun lang naman, yung mga caffeine, yung melatonin, bawal po sila. So yun, ingat na lang tayo. And then, last but not the least, we're almost gonna end, she has aged gracefully. Okay? Kaya tayo, ang ano natin ngayon is talagang womanhood ang ating training. So, girlhood to grace, ayan na si Lola. And these are the nutrients needed for aging and menopausal women. So, eto yung Magnical D, perfect for them. Ang ano lang sa Magnical D pag mga elderly women is masyadong malaki yung tablet. So, though hindi talaga siya recommended to be cut kasi hindi siya scored tablet, no? Yung may hati. But it can always be cut naman para mas madali lang malunok. So, Cell Essentials and Biomega, it's very good. Palagi for mood and cognition. And then yung Coquinone also. Okay? Sobra Coquinone is best for senior citizens. I always wanted to highlight that. Not just for old women, but also our lolos. This is really good. Alam niyo na kung bakit, no? As we grow, our coenzyme Q10 automatically depletes. Okay? And then, apart from that, kapag talagang lolo, lola, kahit talagang hindi na inom or makalunok. 'Di ba? Sabi sa training ni Mentor Cla, yung pinakaunang mga product trainings, T3. 'Di ba? Pwede ang Eusanimals. Yeah? Bumalik tayo sa Eusanimals. I always remember that because safe na siya eh. Pwede siyang i-chew, pwede siyang sipsipin. So, they still have the same nutrients. Kapag talagang yung lola ay cannot chew or delikado na sa cases nila. But yun, the collagen, I always wanted also to give, kasi they are juice, diba? Ay, grabe. This is perfect for even daw yung mga women natin. Nakalagay din dito yung protection sa immune system and then the heart. So yun lang. And highlight natin yung bone support, yung cardiovascular health with omega-3 with Biomega and CoQ10. Tapos yung skin and aging, I highly suggest the collagen, advanced collagen by USANA. Yan. And also Nutrimil, 'di ba? So I have a client, Instant Insure, Nutrimil siya. 'Di ba? Yun yung parang gatas niya. May milk siya and then Nutrimil. Mas bet na bet niya yun. And I'm very proud of that. So, ayaw niya na ng mga Ensure, mga diabetes, all if it's okay to drop the brands. Pero mas love na love niya yung Nutrimil. And then she all has milk. So, ano na yun, si Titas 78, 79. Tapos talagang having a hard time na din for, so maraming mga sakit din. So, yun. Here's the strong women. May we know them, may we be them, and may we raise them. So that's the end of my training from girlhood to grace. Tama po ang aking topic yan, from girlhood to grace. So yan lang. Thank you so much for your patience din, and thank you for being here tonight.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach Carol. Talaga naman napakadami naming natutunan today, di ba? Tama ba? Marami tayong na-learn? Meron bang mga aha moments dyan? Sige po, yung mga gustong mag-share, i-type natin yan sa chat box para mabasa. Ayan. So, may time po tayo for questions, pero i-limit lang po natin. Meron po bang kayong gustong i-ask habang nandito si Coach Carol, itanong, or may mga gusto i-clarify, di ba? So, let's maximize the opportunity po na nandito ang ating speaker. Sige po, ay magbasa tayo sa ating chat box. Meron po bang may question? Patulong ako, Coach Lee, kung baka may na-miss ako. Ayan, so kung wala, super learning. Ayan, so baby till aging. True, di ba? Talagang winok tayo ni Coach Carol from baby to adolescence hanggang adulthood. And talaga namang bawat yugto ng ating buhay talaga iba-iba. May kanya-kanyang pangailangan yung katawan natin. And true na talaga salamat na nandito ka kasi natutunan mo yun. Kasi sabi nga, di ba, lamang ang may alam. So, thank you at nilaanan mo ng oras itong ating training for tonight. So, sige po. Walang question? Okay, wala ba question? Oh, yan. Meron may tanong dito. Yung safest po ulit sa may kidney problem, ano daw po yun?
Although sa ano talaga, sa mga trainings, it's always Cokinode and Biomega. So, sobrang helpful kasi sila in support to the nephrons. Okay, so Cokinone and Biomega, kay Mentor DK ko lang dito na note from one of the product trainings with a lot of medical professionals. If you were, if basta na-attendan yung mga, yung nasa Samsung Hall, doon ko siya na-note for kidney problems, safest ang Cokinone and Biomega. So, I can give you Coach Jonathan yung notes ko. I look up again kung andun pa. Pero yun yung share ko sa optimizers. Especially kapag tawag dyan, mataas na yung creatinine. So yun pa rin yung medyo mga safe na pwedeng ibigay. Cell Essentials is not even mentioned there. So cooking and bio.
Ayan. Ayun, hopefully nasagot. Thank you so much, Coach Ka. And meron din pang isa. Sa may rheumatoid arthritis po, Coach Carol, ano po ang records nyo na prime USANA products to take? Sa may arthritis daw po.
Okay. Although hindi to after, wala na yung sa arthritis now. I think this will be handled on June. Pero sa may rheumatoid arthritis, they're giving Cell Essentials and Biomega. And then, yun, rheumatoid arthritis, Cell Essentials, Biomega. Kasi I think yung rheumatoid arthritis is more on parang autoimmune siya. So, hopefully matopic siya sa June. So, attend kayo ng product training natin on June. They will be talking about joint health and the differences about osteoarthritis versus rheumatoid arthritis and gouty arthritis. So, yan. Cell Essentials and Biomega, I could help mo na with.
Ayan. Sige po. Thank you, Coach Carol. Meron pa po, last one na lang. Kung meron pa po, gusto mag-question. Kung wala na, meron pa po ba? Ayan.
May nag-PM sa akin, but daw hindi na-recommend yung Proposa. Not necessarily one of the products to be recommended for pregnancy or lactation, pero pwede siya sa elderly if there's osteoarthritis. So, yung mga tita-tita natin, yun, sobrang helpful sa kanila yung Proposa, especially na vegetarian glucosamine lang yung gamit. So, very safe for elderly women as well. So, yan. Wala naman na siguro po.
Okay, wala na pong question. Ayan, thank you again so much, Coach Carol. Palakpakan po natin si Coach Carol. Ayan, paulit natin ang thank you. And also, we would like to present a certificate po. Ayan, so this one, we would like to, certificate of appreciation is given to, proudly presented to Carol Palabit for imparting valuable product training about women's health at every age. Your generosity and impact will be cherished. Signed, The Intensity Mentors. Ayan. Thank you so much po again, Coach Carol. Thank you. Ayan. So, mag-photo opportunity po tayo. Siguro first muna si Coach Carol with the certificate and later on po, sama-sama po tayo lahat. May I help Coach Lee to assist us po sa ating group photo.
All right. Hello, Coach Kat. Thank you so much for the wonderful training. Ang ganda ng journey, diba, ng womanhood, girlhood to grace. Thank you so much po. All right, so let's all, Coach Kat, picture muna tayo. Smile. Smile. All right, and then we're gonna go to our group photo. So turn on our cameras, guys. Please turn on our cameras. Turn na po tayo. Okay, page 1. Smile. Okay, nice. Okay, keep smiling lang po. Yan, maganda ang popogi ng ating mga susis. I think page 1 lang tayo, may naka-on ka. Alright, so thank you guys. Back to you, Coach Maricar.
Thank you po, Coach Carol. So yun, sa lahat ng ating mga beautiful ladies and also gentlemen na nandito. So no matter what stage you're in or saan man kayong yugto ngayon, you are seen, you are valued, and you are never alone on your health journey. So spread natin yung ating natutunan tonight. And ayun, sana marami talaga tayong natutunan na hindi lang sa health, kundi sa ating personal development din, di ba? So, truly yung science natin, yun yung hawakan natin. Proud tayo with it because our product is backed up by science. Hindi lang siya talaga hype. So, yan. Stay empowered, everyone. Stay nourished and stay full of grace. Ayan. Thank you po. So, for some announcements, meron lamang po tayong mga happening. Syempre, kailangan gulin natin yan and wag natin palapasin ang bawat mga events, di ba? Ito. So, meron tayo meron tayong pilot for a day na running na po siya ngayon. Nag-start na siya. So, ang cut-off natin is from April 4 to June 27 to 2005 versus yung last year niyo po na income. Okay, so yun. So, pwede kayo dyan mag-qualify. May slot for 1, slot for 2, and napakaganda experience po yun na maging pilot for a day. So, hatawin na natin yan. And also, we have the Tokyo. Yan, diba? Let's go, Tokyo. So, sama-sama tayo. Hopefully, magkita-kita tayo dyan. So, this one is the Leadership Summit po ng ating company na i-held siya sa Tokyo. So, may Category 1 and may Category 2. The Category 1 is for the Gold Directors and below. So, yan, ito ko na Gold Directors and below. And also, the Category 2 is for the Gold and above. So, yun. 1,600 CVP. Yun po yung kailangan. Yun lang. Diba? 1,600 CVP. And mahaba pa yung time natin. So, kaya pa po yan ma-hit. So, everyone, let's go Tokyo. Ayan. And, syempre, ang ating PBA run. Ayan. PBA Sana run. This is this June na, di ba? June 15, 2025 sa Sunday. Sa Pasig po siya gaganapin. And open pa po ang registration natin from April 24 hanggang June 8. So, mahaba pa. May time pa po kayo. Okay? So, tawagin na yung mga friends, yung mga nyo na into running, yung mga nasa running era na dyan. So, meron po yung registration. Natapos na po yung sa office. So, doon na po sila pupunta sa JB Music and Sports Incorporated. So, doon na po ang registration na pwede na lang po. So, until June 8, let's go! Sige po. And, syempre, magkakaroon kayo dyan. Sana all talaga. Kasi dito sa amin, ang hirap ng mga events eh. Pero dyan sa inyo, di ba, maya't maya merong events. So, i-maximize niyo po yan. Magkakaroon daw kayo ng USANA Business Symposium. This is on June 29, 2025 at space sa 1 Ayala po siya. Okay? So, may early bird ticket na available na po from May 15 to 31 only. Okay? So, maganda, mas maaga, mas malaking savings. Diba? So, open po siya sa associate and you can also bring your guest. Diba? So, pwede po may 1 guest, pwede associate plus 2 guests, so 4-5, associate plus 2 guests times 4 tickets, so 6,500. So, maximize na po natin yan, hatawin na, alokin na, invite na po yung ating mga associate, mga gusto nating ipakita yung opportunity na meron tayo. And balita ko, mga bigatin din talaga yung mga kasama natin dito. Yung mga speaker, I think may singkitan daw kayo dyan, di ba? Thank you naman sa ganung opportunity. So, yon, nasa professional side tayo ng business, so hindi tayo kailangan, hindi dapat tayo nahihiya. So, ipalaganap na natin ang USANA, ang kagandahan ng USANA talaga sa ating mga kasama, sa ating mga family members and also sa ating mga friends and also workmates, di ba? Dalhin na natin. Discover a powerful business opportunity in the health and wellness industry. Ayan, thank you. So, also, meron tayong this coming Wednesday, Day dyan sa inyo sa tech. Miss Mariela Fernandez, our newest gold director, di ba? Again, padami na talaga nakaka-gold director. So, mag-share po siya ng kanyang gold journey coming May 21, 7 p.m. Live na live dyan po sa 9th floor sa Tex Tower sa Makati. So, everyone, kung nandyan kayo, wag niyong papalampasin yan, di ba? At para makahagip kayo ng ano ba yung ginawa niya for her to reach the goal. Diba? Ayan. So that will be on May 21. And syempre yung ating online Kickstart Monday na every Monday, regular na po natin to. Live sa ating Zoom. So kaya open siya sa mga kahit nasa ang lugar, kahit nasa ang bansa, di ba? Online Kickstart Monday. Ayan. So, meron pa ba, Coach Lee? So again, mamaya po magkakaroon po tayo ng breakout session for the mom. This is a good opportunity po para ma-process natin, ma-synthesize ano ba yung mga pinag-usapan na natutunan, di ba? And dati, kung nasa tayo physical face-to-face, mahirap maghanap pa kayo ng venue or kung kakain sa restaurant para mag-mount. Pero this time, mag-zoom, papasok na lang po kayo sa breakout room. Pipili po kayo. It's own choice nyo po kung anong breakout room kayo papasok. So, hindi po namin ididikta, kayo po bahala. Or pwedeng mag-usap-usap po kayo ng mga teammates nyo, mga magkaka-line, magkakasama po sa isang breakout room. Ayan. Sige po. But before that, closing prayer po muna tayo. Ayan, so, Lord, we ask your presence, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we come before you with gratitude in our hearts as we conclude this wonderful webinar. Lord, thank you po for the wisdom shared today, for the knowledge, and thank you, Lord, na-remind mo po kami that we are not defined by our struggles, but by your love and purpose, Lord. Thank you for bringing us together tonight, to learn, to grow, and to share insights, Lord, that can help us in our professional and also in our personal lives, Lord. Lord, we ask for your guidance as we commit to building good habits that align with your will. Help us, Lord, to be disciplined in our daily actions and our efforts, Lord, and our goals. Grant us the wisdom to build this, Lord, na kasama ka po namin sa bawat area po ng aming buhay, sa bawat stage, Lord. Teach us, Lord, to value our health, Lord, physically, mentally, and spiritually, so we can serve others and fulfill our purpose, Lord, with energy and joy. We are grateful for our speaker, Coach Carol, Lord, for sharing her knowledge and experience tonight. Bless her abundantly, Lord, for her generosity and passion. May this journey of hers, Lord, continue to inspire us to take actionable steps toward positive change. And also we pray for her strength, Lord, na yung struggle ngayon, and also yung sa family niya po in the fire incident. We also lift up everyone, Lord, who attended this webinar. Thank you po for their dedication, na ma-learn, na mag-grow. Be the seeds, Lord, na na-plant here today, bear the fruits in our lives. We ask for your grace, Lord, to make our common weekday work holy and beautiful, Lord. The beauty of your Christ likeness. May we be like Jesus to everyone we meet in our family, in our workplace, our business, Lord, all our friendships and all our responsibilities. May you keep us safe, all our goings and comings. Bless us and use us as well as our Risana business, Lord, to bless the world. We love you, Lord. All this we ask in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Join na po tayo sa breakout room.
Hello everyone, breakout room are now open. Just click join sa breakout room number na gusto niyo po. Thank you.